Hey guys, this is Al Top. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you what to do when an affiliate program rejects you. They basically say, we don't want you promoting our products. We don't want you promoting our services. All right. So, as you guys may know, I'm trying to build a legendary um, brand online. And basically, we're doing it by providing amazing content. We're giving people tools, resources, information by which they can build their business and make money, and also using it as a platform to motivate and inspire people to live their best life. All right. But the affiliate company doesn't know all that. So basically, I was contacting Best Buy and I just put in my application to become an affiliate, because we want to promote their products in our brand, because we have several things that we're working on. And when we're reviewing digital products, we want to make sure that when we give reviews of the digital products that are good and we rate them, we can then send people to a place that they can buy it, and of course we make money as affiliates. All right, so what happens here is that this is what happened. I'll just show you what happened. All right, so we got I got a letter from Best Buy, and they basically told me my request was declined. They basically said, we don't want you promoting our stuff. And I was like, what? You guys don't know that we're building like a multi-billion-dollar brand possibly, and we're awesome? And I was like, man. But I'm going to tell you what I always do when I face an obstacle, and that is I figure out a way to get there, and I try again. So that is exactly what I did. All right. So I went to a website and I started, and I'm going to share that website with you now. This is the website. It's called FlexOffers. And we signed up for their program. We applied. Um, and there's a lot of offers on this site. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description below this video so that you guys can just start it if you have been rejected from some affiliate program. A lot of the offers that they have, because it's coming from FlexOffers, you can get approved for. And they have a lot of affiliate programs. Like the time of this video, it's 12,000 plus. All right. So this is like one of the one-stop shops that you use for getting affiliate offers. All right. So went in, applied, and what happens is, well, I'll show you what happened. Best Buy approved as an affiliate. Okay. This reminds me of some key lessons that I want to share with you. Basically, when you face an obstacle, when someone tells you no, you can't do something, you can't have something, absolutely not. What happens is you have to have the tenacity, the desire, the stick-to-itiveness to pursue that thing and make it a reality in your life. Okay. All right. You do not want to give up when someone says you no, unless it's a judge and it's a court order and it's like a restraining order. If he says don't come by, don't come by. It's just a joke, people. Some people do stand up. I do sit down. Okay. So here's the point. You just want to keep on doing what you need to do. And there's always a way. Okay. If they reject you in one way, you find another way. Sometimes I say if You can't go through the door, you go through the window. If you can't go through the window, you go through the chimney. It's figurative. Do not break into anybody's house, okay? That is exactly what you need to do. You need to find another way. And if one product rejects you, you may think about finding another product or another service that is comparable to that one. And then maybe after some time, they'll come around. All right. But the point is, you want to keep going. You want to keep pursuing it. You do not want to quit, because if you quit, you've already lost. All right. That's it, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you want more videos on how to market, how to grow your business, how to turn traffic into leads and leads into sales. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.